Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this quick tip video, I'm going to show you the new Embossing Editions Kit. Here is the new Embossing Editions Kit. It can be found in the mini catalog on page 49 as part of the Rustic Harvest suite, or you can purchase it individually. It's $27 and it includes these 4 wonderful things to help you with embossing. You've got a brush to help brush all the powder into the spout here to pour it out and back into the embossing container. And my favorite is the Embossing Buddy. It has powder inside of it, and you can use it to get any grease or marks or fingerprints off of your paper so that the embossing powder only sticks to where you stamp the Versamark. I love, love, love this. It's so wonderful, and I'm so happy to have it because look, this is my first one. My first Embossing Buddy from over 20 years ago, maybe even 22. My son is 22 and I got it around the time he was little. So yeah, so I'm running out of powder here. See how thin it is? So I'm so happy to have this. It's nice and fat and juicy and ready to go. And then I love, love, love reverse tweezers so much. And I like that the ends of these are not metal because they will not get hot. And so that is very helpful. And so basically what they do is they hold your paper in place while you're using the heat tool to emboss so you don't burn your precious fingers. And the Teflon will not get hot, so it is awesome. And it holds it in place, like I don't have to squeeze. That's the beauty of reverse tweezers, is you just squeeze to open it and then let go, and it holds it in place. So you can hold it down here, and then you can have your heat tool embossing your sentiment or whatever you would like to emboss. So when you're done with the powder, you can just brush all of that powder using the included brush into this little spout right here. And then you can pour this all back in. What's nice is the other one that Stampin' Up sold years ago was a pull top. And so it was too easy to pull off. This is a screw top, so it's kept in place better. And then you just brush everything down into the spout, back into your container, and you put this back on, and you're ready to go again with a different embossing powder. Minus, this looks like my hair in here. So we'll just remove that. The other fun thing you can do is you can use it for embellishments. So if you have loose embellishments, like the Sparkle and Shine sequins or the effervescent elements or the tricolor sequins that come in 3 colors, you can use this to pour out your embellishments, and then you can use your take your pick tool to kind of sort through and find the embellishments you're looking for. And when you do, here's a pearl, I want that pearl. You can pick it up and put it on your card. Ooh, there's glittery sequins here too. Those are so pretty. And then you can really see, you know, all the different types of embellishments and sequins and pearls that are in here. And then when you're done, you just unscrew the spout and you can just, look at that. You can just pour them all back in. If you want, you could use the brush, but it should be all good, and just go right back in. Ta-da! So cool. And then you could do the same thing with the Sparkle and Shine embellishments as well. So that has all different types of stars and sequins. And so you can really see them better than you can inside the container here. And then, super fun, you could use it with the effervescent elements. Look at these. Oh my gosh, And so instead of having them roll all around your work surface, you can just put them in here and you can pick out, ooh, I want a large one. So we're gonna grab that large one, or oh, I want this little one. I want to grab the little one. Or if you're using them for a shaker card, which is what you would probably use these for, then you can pour them out in here and put your shaker dome in here and keep everything contained inside of here so that, again, they're not rolling everywhere like when I was trying to do the gumballs. They were just rolling everywhere. So you can put your gumball dome in here and then fill it up in here. And then when you're done, obviously, whatever you have left over, you can just pour right back in. Isn't that awesome? It looks like I got some sequins too. And then you can just close up that container and you can put this back on. So this has a lot more uses than just for embossing, but is definitely super useful for embossing. So I hope you try this kit out. If you purchase it from me as part of a $40 order or a $50 order this month, you'll get a free celebration item and a free gift from me. So make sure to check it out, and I hope that you enjoy using it. Thank you so much for watching this quick tip video on the new Embossing Editions Kit. I hope you try it out. The link to order is below. And please leave a comment and like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.